Mangalore Tekkare Da Addye or the instant cucumber idli is an excellent healthy breakfast option that requires very little preparation and no fermentation. This doesn't need any accompaniment of chutney or sambar and can be had just by itself. The only preparation that this recipe requires is soaking the rice for 2 hours. I have taken around 2 cups of idli rice that I have washed and soaked in water for around 2 hours. Cut the cucumber roughly. I have used one whole cucumber here, which is roughly 1 cup of cucumber, and we are going to need 1 cup of grated coconut. These are all the ingredients that you are going to need along with the rice. We are making a sweet version here. You could skip the jaggery and you could make it into a savory version as well. The jaggery amount could be changed based on your sweet preferences. Grind all the ingredients into a smooth paste similar to the ones that we make for idlis or dosas. Best to use a wet grinder if you have one. The batter is ready here. The batter could be prepared and stored in the fridge at night and can be used in the morning to make hot idlis. Now we are going to follow the same process that we follow for making idlis. Keep some water in a steamer, grease oil or ghee on idli plates, pour the batter and steam it. Traditionally, the batter would be poured in banana leaf in steamer, but since I don't have access to the banana leaf, so we generally use idli molds and it tastes equally delicious. Steam it for around 15 minutes and check by poking a knife in it and see if it's done, and if it's not cooked, then cook it for another 5 minutes and you are done. The remaining batter could be stored in the fridge and can be used for up to 3 to 4 days. This is an all-time favorite breakfast option in my family. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section about how you felt about it. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.